Hello my friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix Mom channel. Today I want to share with you how you can build your own fireplace in your backyard. As you see, this is the backyard. So we put the stone on the backyard the way we want, and so the grass will start growing between the backyard. So we came with the solution. We put the concrete between the grass, as you see, so the grass is not gonna grow up anymore. We take off the grass and we pour the concrete, and after that we're gonna make the fireplace right here. This way to take the grass out is with your hand. It's much easier than if you wanna get the tools or something to take it out. This is the tools I use to remove the grass, so it's working better than the other one. Alright, let's finish it. I finished that small area. As you see, it wasn't that easy. I thought it's gonna be easy, but it's not, to take the grass out. Anyway, so I'm gonna pour the concrete in that area, so to show you guys how to do it. So this is the concrete we're gonna use, bought in Home Depot. So everything is ready, is mixed concrete. I'm gonna put on this and add a little water, mix it, and good to go. Cement is ready. And I'm gonna start pouring the water in the middle. As you see, you make the hole in the middle, you pour the water in the middle, and you start mixing it. Making the fireplace here in the middle, so I have to take all the grass, and I will show you the next step. Okay, after I removed all the grass, so I have a plan. I use this wood, as you see. I use the wood, so whatever I have in my garage, and I use this tire. I'm gonna put the tire in the middle, so I'm gonna pour the concrete around this tire, and at the end I'm gonna take the tire out. So I'm gonna have the concrete with the hole in the middle. So and the way you want to put the wood. So after you know what size you want to do it, and just grab your angle and check if it's 90. So in all the sides it should be 90, as you see. So, and I put the nails like this. You see, I put the nails through that onto this one, so to hold it. And I'm gonna put 2x4. Is I'm sorry, 1x2 or 2x2. So it doesn't matter. Just put it behind the wood to support the wood. Good to go. See that I put the plastic bag. So I have a plastic on the wood, as you see. So to cover the wood when you want to take off the wood after the cement get dry, so it's easier for you to take it off. So this is not the right way, but it's easier to pour the concrete inside and after that mix it here. Okay, we put the cement up to that level, so you keep hitting the wood with the hammer, so you're gonna have a nice surface on the concrete. It's almost ready, so I use my hammer to take off the wood. So I'm gonna take the last part.